We're back.
We live and we lie and we fall and we fly. We win and we lose. So for now, let's all enjoy this view.
Okay.
Packing time, babies.
So,
Okay.
Today we decided we are gonna
be packing for you guys because we haven't done a video and we are going vacation.
We're going to Sacramento and San Francisco. So yeah, it's gonna be fun, a fun trip. We're probably gonna vlog some of it in another video, but for today, this is what we're doing. It's just a quick little pack with me video, and yeah, let's get right into it. Well, how was that? That was weird.
Okay, so I don't even know what I'm gonna pack. I do have a little purple chuck in my backpack, which I think it's so cute.
Yes. Well.
Okay, this is not good. Okay, so
how are we gonna do this?
I don't know what to pack. I don't know what to pack.
Me neither.
I literally don't.
See, look, my backpack
I'm gonna pack this sweater.
empty.
I think it's
I
really
have
cute and
nothing
summery.
in my backpack.
It's really cute.
You see that? There's nothing in here.
I don't have anything either.
We're gonna be gone for that long, but it's like basically like 3 days. So we need to pack a couple of outfits, and we're also gonna be going into the pool, of course, because you know.
Swimwear.
So we need some swimwear. So I think I know what I'm gonna wear for the pool, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna wear for regular outfits. So yeah.
Let's get right into this video. Okay, guys, so it's my time to choose my stuff. So yeah, I'm in my closet. My closet is really small, so it's right here. But first, what I do have, I think I'm gonna take this for sure. I'm for sure gonna take these glasses because they're Babe, and then this one's too because they're Babe too. Oh, okay. And then I'm gonna take this necklace that I always wear, so that's there. And then I'm gonna take this Gucci satchel, and of course I'm balling. I have like $5 from Easter. And no, that's not real Gucci. Okay, just wanted to clear that up. So let's go into my closet. So this is my closet. It's really small, so like I'm just gonna show this. Okay, so here I have my belts. I love this belt, so I'm for sure gonna take this one. Probably gonna take all of them or most of them. So first I just have this one. This one's the one that I mostly wear. And I just have this really thick brown one with a big buckle. Then this thin ones. Then oh yeah, probably don't want to see that. I do hang my bras. These are new though, so I'm gonna take those for sure. Then I'm probably gonna take these, my Abercrombie boyfriend jeans, cause they're really cool. There's like a little shirt. Okay, so I think I'm taking these. Okay, so for like summer tops, because I did divide my winter clothes, so all my hoodies, sorry for my hoodie obsession, they're all up there. I have like a whole bunch. But okay, so I think I might take this one. This one's really cute, from Forever 21. Let's put that there. This is just a normal basic white top and a red one, and then this one. This is like the most summery things that I have, so I'm just gonna put those, I guess. For shorts, I only have 3 pairs of shorts, so I will be taking all of those. I just have these Gap ones, and then these Gap ones. I actually made them. They were actually boyfriend jeans, and I just cut them into shorts. So because I don't have many shorts, so I'm gonna take all of these. I overpack, okay, so I'm sorry. This is just a white. I don't think I'm taking this because I'm already taking this one that I have on. It's like the same one. I think that's pretty much it for me. Well, I'm obviously gonna pack more, but it's because I overpack, so I don't really wanna film that. So I think for now that's it. I just need to find more jeans, and I'm obviously gonna take some shorts for like some PJ shorts. I also have some sweatpants up here, which I am gonna take, cause in the road trip I think I'm gonna be wearing sweatpants, cause you know. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. Like, that's the basic stuff that I'm gonna be taking. So you'll see in the packing portion. So I'm gonna hand this to Joshua now, because if I kept on recording, you'll probably be like, Chelsea, you're taking like your whole closet. So and it will be really boring too. So let's just go. Okay guys, so for accessories, well, I don't know what it counts as, but also I am taking this little thing. It's sweet almond oil, and it's really good for like dry skin. So I like to use it on my legs, like when I use shorts, and it makes them really smooth. So yeah, just wanted to say that. And yeah, I know.
Yeah, so
I know.
for me,
I need another backpack.
we didn't even film a clip of me getting the stuff out, but that's because
true.
I know, but that's because yeah, I just didn't want to. I didn't feel like it because why not?
Okay, so this was
basically, I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. Basically, this is my swim stuff, which is just one pair of shorts because I don't have any other shorts. Well, I just couldn't find any other ones, so I just have these shorts, which are some Adidas. And then I just got a couple of muscle shirts and like a spandex shirt because I'm not sure what I'm gonna wear. And yeah, that's it for my swimwear basically. For my actual clothing, I just have I have three you know pants right here, and 3 shirts, like basic shirts. And then okay, so that's it for the clothing. I also have I'm gonna take this Champion white, all white windbreaker.
No, and wait, this is not it. I still have something in the dryer. I have like a lot of jeans stuff that I'm still gonna take. I'm still gonna pack in the dryer. They're drying right now. And another pair of shoes.
And I'm also gonna take this sweater just in case it's cold during because we are going to San Francisco and stuff, like, and we're not sure if it's gonna be really cold.
Or really hot.
So we're just gonna take it just in case. And I have another sweater, which is
my hoodie obsession never stops.
Yeah, this sweater.
Okay.
And that's it. That's all I'm taking.
So let's get started.
Oh, and I also need to figure out what shoes I'm gonna wear, but yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, I'm gonna need like 10 other backpacks.
Yeah, me too.
So it's not fitting in this.
So let's try to fit this all in our backpacks.
We could.
So yeah.
Okay.
Hey, I was gonna sing.
No.
Yeah.
Shut up.
I was gonna sing the Harry Potter theme song.
We had a telepathical moment.
Yeah.
We're gonna put that in.
Yeah.
Shorts. I think this is gonna fit, but the rest is not.
Yeah, this big
like all of this
one, yeah, I don't think it's gonna fit.
I still need swimwear, and I still need the rest that is drying.
I'm gonna try.
What can I say? I'm like the most overpacker alive. Does that make sense? I'm gonna like take my whole closet, basically.
Yes, no, but
everything that looks summery, I'm taking. And I'm not proud of that. So my hoodies are not gonna fit there. My head in a hoodie, my shawty a goodie. I still need to stitch this.
I did it. Wow, that's a lot. Look at that. And,
would you look at
and that's not it. Like, I still need to, well, first of all, these pants, I just took them out because I need to try them on before I take them. Because my dad just gave them to me literally right now because I didn't have any pants. So I need to make sure they fit before I just take off. Which I'm pretty sure I do because they're size 31 and that's like the size I am. So that should be good. But either way, we'll see. And the only other thing that we have to pack though is like our deodorant and like
necessary stuff.
Yeah, like that kind of stuff.
But
like
I think that we're gonna do in the suitcase with my parents.
Yeah. So okay.
because we only have backpacks, and I don't think my hoodies are gonna fit. My Adidas sweatpants, I'm gonna take them because on the way there, like on a road trip, I'm gonna be wearing this, so I don't need to pack that. I still have some things drying, like I said earlier.
Yeah, so there's still more to add. And
There's
yeah,
still
I don't think
more,
it's gonna
and
fit
this
in.
is all fits.
Yeah.
I don't even want to put my glasses here because they might.
Yeah, they are gonna break off. We shouldn't.
I should probably take them in a container.
Yeah.
And this too, my little necklace. Yeah. I'll do that later. But yeah, this is pretty much it. This is all that's gonna fit. There's like a packing fail.
For me too, like look at that. My backpack is like as fat as can be. And like I still need to try to fit this in, which I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Well, actually, let me just try these on really quickly, and then I'll try to put it in. Let's see if it's gonna fit.
Inside. The purple chalk. The chalk is purple. This is so heavy. I need to stop kissing stuff. I'm gonna get fungus in my lips. Okay, so I'm gonna take my checker bands, my Filas, my new Filas that I bought with my money, with mi dinero, and now I just need my Nikes, my Nike Air Forces. So I have one white pair of shoes, white and black shoes, and the other ones are black. So I'll be fine. I just need more space. So let's see what we'll do about that later, but I think we're done. Okay.
Okay, so the pants fit, so now I'm gonna try to put them in.
If they fit in.
Yeah, if they fit in.
Okay guys, so I'm already done. Like this is it. It's so heavy. That's all that's gonna fit. Basically everything fit, like all the stuff that I picked out, it fits. It's just my shoes. I need my toothbrush and all of that, but that's gonna go in the suitcase, so I'm not worried about that. But it's just my hoodies, because I always have to take hoodies. Like hoodies are like my obsession, so like I can't get rid of that. So yeah, I'm gonna take 2 this road trip. So yeah, I'll probably end up taking more because that's just how I am.
Okay.
I overpack things. And I still have some things in the dryer. I have like 2 hoodies in the dryer, so might take those too.
So freaking full. I have to take it out because I need to see if the pants are gonna fit in here. Which hopefully they do, because if they don't, I don't know where I'm going to put it.
Ooh, it's a napkin. Yeah. Are you taking this one?
I don't know. I was thinking of it, but I don't know if it would go good with one of my outfits. But I might.
And it might be hot, so.
Yeah, that's what we don't know. But we should have just checked the weather, honestly, but whatever.
I'm just taking everything.
Yeah, I was just prepared just in case.
As you could tell. I'm an overpacker. And I'm fine with that. Because you never know.
Yeah.
You never know. I like to overpack.
Yeah, you have to be overly prepared instead of being under-prepared. Or not prepared.
Exactly. So we're done, guys.
I'm not. I'm trying to
Whoa. My things didn't fit, and I'm done. That means that we're gonna need more backpacks.
Yeah, we're gonna have
so
to
I'm gonna go do that now. But we're done for the video.
Alright. Yeah.
Pretty much it.
I don't think it's gonna fit actually.
Woo!
Just look at that. Yeah.
Would you look at that?
No way this is gonna fit.
Oh, and also, I opened a channel.
Oh yeah, make sure to check out our personal channel.
Yeah, we both have some.
I'll try to put it in the link in the description.
Joshua has like a geek channel.
Yeah, I have a
like
channel.
Talks about superheroes
my old name was actually Geek Review 777, but not anymore. Now it's just my name. So just search up Odetteanzaldo, and that's my channel.
Chelsea and Saldo.
Yeah.
Cause I did a preparing for summer vacations. I tried. Like I'm not an ordinary girl. Like I'm not a girl. Well, I am a girl. No, don't get me wrong. Like I'm a girl, but like I don't know a lot of girl stuff. So it's like Cause like I grew up like with 3 brothers, so like don't blame me. I don't know.
Yeah. So yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. I think that's pretty much it for this video.
Yeah.
You guys saw us kind of struggle here, cause you know we couldn't really do this, but
oh, I almost fell. Okay, but we're pretty much done like with the necessary stuff. We only need like the toothpaste, all of that, but that's gonna go in our parents' suitcase, so I'm not worried about that. The only thing that I'm worried about is the extra clothes that I'm gonna take, cause mom's gonna be like, dude, that's all you need. You don't need another backpack. But I'm anyways gonna do it because that's just how I am. So, I'm sorry. Is that wrong? Is that bad?
I don't know, but yeah. So there's gonna be a long road trip because yeah, we live in LA and we're going to San Francisco.
San Fran.
So that's kind of far.
Look
It's
at my
like
little
a 4-hour drive or something like that. So yeah, so we're just gonna head over there and make sure to stay tuned. Yeah, make sure to stay
Most
tuned
likely.
for our next video, probably this Tuesday, when we're gonna upload a vlog. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you all
amigos.
on the next one. Peace.